So what's that popping noise when you get adjusted? Well, back in 1971, there were theories brought out that the popping noise was the release of nitrogen gas from the joints. We now know that that is completely false. New studies are coming out that realize the popping sound comes from the joints themselves. Because the joints are lubricated, like any lubricated joint, when you pull them apart quickly, that quick suction of gases gets released, kind of like a sound. And they've now analyzed that gas and now realize that the gas is carbon dioxide. So the popping noise means that the joint was moved just far enough apart that the carbon dioxide gas was released and went from a liquid state to a gaseous state. And that is what is associated with the pop or the noise. Now, our goal in our office is to help as many people as possible regain their health in the most natural means possible. So we need your help in accomplishing this goal. You probably know someone right now in this town with headaches, migraines, back pain, stress, sleeping problems. Please refer them to get in and get help. More importantly, you could send them this email or the flyer attached below. I want to offer your friends and family a free consultation to see if there's something we can do to help. This consultation entails 30 minutes talking about all their problems. We do a gravitational assessment, weight balance, stress check, pH balance test, just to see if there's something we can do to help. Now there's a due date and space is maybe limited on this, so just send this to them now. Send it immediately. Send it to everybody. It doesn't matter, but it may make a difference in someone who is suffering from some pain. So check out the flyer below, then forward it to someone, and I want to thank you in advance and hope you have a blessed and healthy day.